explorers, have you ever wondered which animals and birds are the largest on our planet? Let's dive into the world of gigantic creatures and learn some fascinating facts. Do you know which bird is taller than most adults, or which animal weighs more than 100 cars? Let's find out. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. It can grow up to 100 feet long. That's longer than 2 school buses. A blue whale's heart is the size of a small car and its tongue can weigh as much as an elephant. These gentle giants live in oceans and eat tiny creatures called krill. The African elephant is the largest land animal. It can weigh up to 7 tons, which is as heavy as about 12 cars. Their long trunks are like super tools. They use them to eat, drink, and even hug other elephants. These big animals roam the grasslands and forests of Africa. Meet the ostrich, the largest bird on the planet. It can't fly, but it can run really fast, up to 70 kilometers per hour. An ostrich lays the largest eggs in the world. One ostrich egg is as heavy as 24 chicken eggs. These speedy birds live in Africa's open grasslands and deserts. The Andean condor has the largest wingspan of any flying bird, up to 10 feet wide. That's taller than most basketball players. These birds can glide for hours without flapping their wings. They live high in the mountains of South America. The giraffe is the tallest animal, reaching heights of up to 18 feet. That's like 3 adults standing on top of each other. The wandering albatross has the longest wingspan, stretching over 11 feet. The saltwater crocodile is the largest reptile, growing up to 23 feet long. Wow kids, we learned about some of the largest animals and birds on Earth, from the mighty blue whale to the speedy ostrich. Do you have a favorite giant animal or bird? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos about our wonderful world.